Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. For today's video, I'm participating in Crafty Mama Diaries #CMDshopstash. I think it's a good idea to shop your stash and use the things that we have in our craft room. I'm also participating in Anna Wight's #SnowmenOfJanuary. Since I use snowman on my cards, might as well kill two birds with one stone, right? The stamp set I use is Art Impressions Snowman Stamp and Die set. I think I have this stamp and die set for a few years now, and I don't think I use this stamp set yet, so I will be using it for today's video. I colored these images while waiting for my husband's doctor's appointments to be done, and I use my zig markers to color them, and I also fussy cut them the next day while again waiting for my husband's doctor's appointment. This paper pad is Recollections brand from Michaels. This is also old. I got it years ago and haven't used it until now. I love the silver foiling and different shades of blue in this paper pad. Before I start my card process, I will show you what stamps and dies I use to make my cards. I use sentiment stamps from Simon Says Stamp, Sweet Seasonal Apples, Conquer the Night Winter Wear, Hero Arts Holiday Cheer, and I also use snowflakes from Waffle Flower Cozy Holiday Sentiment Stamp Set. For the dies, I use square stitch dies, Lawn Fun Party Banners, Stitch Circle dies, Sizzix Framelits Scallop Circles, and Cat's Scrappiness Scallop Stitch Border dies. I chose 4 card sketches from Crafty Mama Diaries #CMDshopstash and made 2 cards from each of the card sketches. I will leave all the links in my description box below so you can check them out. I'm going to let you watch the card making process, and I will see you at the end after the cards are done. Enjoy the video. And my adorable snowman cards are complete. I love this snowman and the beautiful pattern papers that I used. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.